Hey, welcome back to my new video. We are now in Dublin again with my friends. Ayan sila. Now we're going to have our breakfast in Filipino bakery and I'll see you there. Spire. Christmas tree. We can cross here. Hi.
New York. It's actually the screen that we could view the New York from here.
Yeah, there. It's green, but it's not functioning. Ako yung cameraman nyo.
Ay na, ako na lang cameraman mo. Ako na cameraman sa'yo, dali. Kunyari ako yung ano. Dali, sige, tour mo kami. Go.
Tour na?
Go.
Let's go. Let's go to the Filipino bakery. We'll have our breakfast there.
So now our vlog is rating the Filipino bakery.
Missing the Philippines.
Yeah.
We are in Dublin.
And also the Filipino table.
Hashtag satisfied cravings.
So we have so many food in mind. So what do you have? Me, I have
one.
puto.
Oh my god. Okay.
Spanish bread. Is that
Spanish bread?
Spanish in the Philippines?
They don't have
Spanish roll.
Spanish roll.
Spanish
They
roll.
don't have Spanish roll, but they have puto.
Yeah, so anyway, hopefully, because of this cold weather, we're going to have our hot coffee and we call it Cafe Barranco.
Isa hindi mo besh.
Kaya ga.
Hindi, para maganda yung kuha.
Yes. It's so stable, isn't it?
How to check the ano ba? How to, pwede mong pihitin.
Yung may
May ano siya,
parang
parang-
sa cellphone.
Okay.
May mark.
Para ako may cancer, wag. So, hi guys. So we're here in Dublin Center. It's actually one of the most visited place here in Dublin because this is the only
The only one.
tourist spot in this. After the end of the road, no more. So as you can see, they're so busy setting up all this, ano,
Christmas stuff.
Christmas bazaar.
How you party?
See that?
And those stores right there only accept cash. No.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, good to know because I didn't know.
Akala mo na
Where?
ano?
Ha?
Akala mo na bawal mag-video dito.
Bawal ba?
Hindi. Kayong kanina, akala ko sinita tayo.
Ay, hindi. Akala ko naman sumasali sila sa video.
Okay.
Kasi may mga ganun yung na lang. Yung parang gustong sumali sa video.
Sa video, pasita-sita daw, however, just wanna join the group.
Sa Egypt talaga, wag ka talaga Sa Egypt talaga, hindi wag ka talaga magaganito.
Ay, talaga.
Hindi kasi nila gusto. Hindi
Bawal
sila.
na bawal.
That's the Arnotts.
They value privacy.
Say hi. La 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 la. So, this is the Baklaran of Dublin.
The
Divisoria.
The Divisoria of Dublin. Divisoria.
You feel so crowded today.
Yes.
Yeah. Despite the weekdays. Oo, ang dami na natin ano. Wala na tayong maano.
Yes. True, ang hirap tayo mag-edit. Ah,
At bibili ako na
Correct.
Ay, dun
Ayan,
sa
sana
ano.
naman sa ano mo.
Dun sa binilan mo ng ganyan. Di ba dun yung bilihan na SD card?
oo,
Hey, we are here.
Yes. I think at the book here.
There is the Filipino bakery.
So we're here. Oh, welcome to Meets My First Time. So let's see.
Yeah.
What's the track?
Wow, new setup. These are the Filipino food selections. Umagang kay ganda.
Ako, tsaka yung may drinks ko.
So, isang one rice, one viand, and one drink is 1650 euros. Pero meron silang tapsalog in there for breakfast. Dalawa. So we're having, what's that?
This is
Bulalo.
blood soup or no blood stew, dinuguan.
Dinuguan.
And then, bulalo, I don't know what's the English of
It's the jackfruit.
Jackfruit. And the yumba.
Jackfruit.
And coconut milk. Masarap yan, sis. Asin yung isang service, please. Paborito ko yun. Ay, kunap na rin sa
Ayun o, kay Anna.
And then,
Ah, okay.
Magkano 12 euro per cut?
Per serve.
Per service.
Hindi, pag may rice na sa tsaka drink, 1650.
Ah, okay. Same lang. Next time. Alright, this is the aftermath.
I'll go for
Aftermath.
Busog ka ba, Bessie?
aftermath is just the proof of how full we are.
Don't show me, I'm putting it.
I don't care.
Oh, that's nice.
How's your first meal here?
Oh my god.
Nice one. Nice one.
OMG.
OMG. Oh my gosh.
It's life-changing.
My tummy. Oh, may pinapakita yung tummy ko. Yes, nabigla. The term is bigla. Kasi usually I'm not used to having meal in breakfast. Shout out! Siyempre breakfast. So, yun. Masarap. Masarap siya. And I love it. I actually want to order lahat. Kaso nga lang.
Okay ba yung ambience natin dito? Yung,
Yeah, we're like in the Philippines actually.
yeah,
Ito yung
they're the
weather.
Philippines.
So,
We have the Christmas decor from Watching Fall. Divisory. And
Kaya. Yun.
well, the table, this is the one that we had seen there.
Hindi share this.